lesson is on volume of spheres. A sphere is the set of all points in space that are the same distance from a point called the center. The radius, or r, is the distance from the center to any point on the sphere. Please note that a sphere is different from the other solids that we have studied this far because it does not have a base. Finding the volume of a sphere. To find the volume of a sphere, we look at the product of 4/3 times pi and the cube of the radius of the sphere. So the formula is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Make sure you note that cube of the radius of the sphere is r cubed, which is r to the third power, or r times r times r. Let's look at the example on the board. We have a sphere with a radius of 4 centimeters. We are going to apply our formula 4/3 pi r cubed. We're going to replace pi with 3 1400. We're going to replace our radius with 4 cubed, or 4 to the third power. Using order of operations, we will cube 4 first. 4 times 4 times 4 gives us 64. Now we're going to multiply 64 times pi, or 3.14, and that gives us 296 hundredths. The easiest way to take 4/3 of a number is to begin by multiplying times 4 and then divide by 3. So we are going to multiply 296 hundredths times 4 and then divide it by 3. 296 hundredths times 4 is 803 84 hundredths. Divided by 3 would give us a volume of 267, and we're going to round to 9,500 centimeters cubed. Remember, volume is still measured in cubic units. All right, let's look at the purple sphere together. So our formula is volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Pause the video and see if you can find the volume of the purple sphere. Our first step is to fill in with what we know. So we're going to keep our 4/3. We're going to replace pi with 3 1400. We're going to replace our radius with 3, and we are going to cube 3. Always remember to start with order of operations, so we're going to cube 3 first. So that's 4/3 times pi times 3 cubed is going to give us 27. Now we're going to multiply pi times 27. So 3.14 times 27 gives us 84 78 hundredths. Now again, remember the easiest way for us to take 4/3 of our number is to multiply by 4 and then divide by 3 in the end. This is the same as taking 4/3 of it. So we have 4 times 84 78 hundredths divided by 3. When I multiply 84 and 7/800 times 4, that gives me 339 and 1200 divided by 3 would give us a volume of 113 and 400 centimeters cubed. Now let's look at our red sphere. Remember our formula is volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now pause the video and apply the formula for volume of a sphere. Alright, if we look at the difference with the red sphere versus the purple sphere, we can see that we have diameter of 28 for our red sphere. So remember, radius is half of the diameter. If we divide 28 by 2, that gives us a radius of 14. So we're going to plug 14 into our formula. So replace pi with 3 and 1400. Replace the radius with 14 cubed. Remember, we cube our number. That's our next step. So we're going to do 14 times 14 times 14, which gives us 2,744. Now we're going to multiply 4 times the 3 and 1400 times 2,744, which is 8,616 and 1600, and then we divide by 3 at the very end. So 8,616 and 1600 times 4 would give us 34,464 and 6,400 divided by 3 gives us a volume of 11,488 and 2,100, when rounded to the nearest hundredth, meters cubed. And this is how you find volume of a sphere.